Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. My earnest endeavor to elucidate text 21 of chapter 8, Attaining the Supreme of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 21, Avyakto Akshara iti yuktas tam ahu paramam gatim yama prapya na nivartante tadadhama paramam mama. That which the Vedantis describe as unmanifest and infallible, that which is known as the supreme destination, the place from which, having attained it, one never returns, that is my supreme abode. The supreme abode of the personality of Godhead Krishna is described in the Brahma Samhita as Sintamani Dhama, a place where all desires are fulfilled. The supreme abode of Lord Krishna, known as Goloka Vrindavan, is full of palaces made of touchstone. There are also trees called desire trees that supply any type of eatable upon demand, and there are cows known as Surabhi cows which supply a limitless supply of milk. In this abode, the Lord is served by hundreds of thousands of goddesses of fortune, Lakshmis, and he is called Govinda, the primal Lord and the cause of all causes. The Lord is accustomed to blow his flute, Vinnam Kwanantam. His transcendental form is the most attractive in all the worlds. His eyes are like lotus petals, and the color of his body is like the color of clouds. He is so attractive that his beauty excels that of thousands of cupids. He wears saffron cloth, a garland around his neck, and a peacock feather in his hair. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna gives only a small hint of his personal abode Goloka Vrindavan, which is the supermost planet in the spiritual kingdom. A vivid description is given in the Brahma Samhita. In Vedic literature's Katha Upanishad 1.3.11 state that there is nothing superior to the abode of the Supreme Godhead, and that abode is the ultimate destination. Purusan na param kinsit sa kastha paramagatiha. Krishna's supreme abode and Krishna himself are non-different, being of the same quality. When one attains to it, he never returns to the material world. On this earth, Vrindavana, 90 miles southeast of Delhi, is a replica of that Supreme Goloka Vrindavan located in the spiritual sky. When Krishna descended on this earth, he sported on that particular tract of land known as Vrindavana, comprising about 84 square miles in the district of Mathura, India. Thank you.